Hello, my name is Ernie, and today's topic is me who is socially unaware. And you looking at the expert, I got all you guys beat, okay? I got you all beat when it comes to being socially unaware. And I was doing it to such a degree that I didn't even think about it. I didn't even realize I was socially unaware. And so through the meditation, I began to realize that, oh my God, I'm a big old fake. I got to do better than this, right? And so there are many times early in the meditation that I would be done and then I would just get out. I wouldn't talk to nobody. I just wouldn't. And over time, I started to get a little bit better, and I was encouraged to kind of stick around, talk and get to know versus just meditate and go. But that was my thing, socially unaware, okay, the king. And so as I'm talking to maybe people I've been knowing for years, through the meditation, I started realizing that I was becoming a bit more aware of actually hearing them. So I became a better listener because I'm just trying to be more organic with my involvement, right? And so through my involvement with friends and people at work, especially at work, you want your hello to be a real hello, right? Versus, hi, okay, yeah, that was me, hi, all right, no, hi, well, how are you? That's how you doing today? Look them in the eye and be present, even though it's just for a few seconds, but you're present there, and it makes a big difference. And everything changes when you become aware as you socialize. Everything changes, everything just gets better. So let us all just continue to meditate, okay? Let us all do it together. And let us all just throw away. The clearer your mind, the more personable you'll know about yourself, and therefore you can just be organic in your involvement with everybody else. So, cheers.